Around here, we've had some cold temperatures the last several days, and today was an extremely cold day for this time of year, at least. 31-degree high temperature, and actually that was just for a brief period of time early this morning when some clouds went through the area. For most of the day, temperatures have been in the 20s, and that 31-degree high checks in at 15 below normal for this time of year. 46 is our normal high, 71 degrees, the record high on this almost mid-December day back in 1979. Going to be another cold night tonight, especially in the northern suburbs with some deep snow on the ground. Temperatures are already back to 25 at Rising Sun up in Cecil County, 26 in Elkton. Taneytown's at 26 degrees, 25 in Sykesville, 25 out toward Hagerstown, and not a whole lot warmer as you get down toward Easton and Ridgely on the eastern shore. Only far southern Maryland really relatively milder, but even there below freezing. And then you get into the real icebox out in far western Maryland. Temperatures this afternoon stuck in the low to mid-teens. Now, we'll see mostly clear skies through the early evening at least, and with fairly light winds, it's going to cool off rapidly again. Look for lows to drop to near 10 in those northern suburbs, about 20 downtown, and winds only coming in at about 3 to 6 miles an hour. The sun went down this afternoon at 4:44. A little patch of clear skies here, but already the next storm is beginning to show signs of development coming off the foothills of the Rockies. This storm system is going to track through the plains and approach us from the south and west. So it's not like a nor'easter or anything like that, but you can see the moisture is building up out ahead of it. And with cold air in place as this storm system approaches, we are expecting another wintry mix. You can see it moving through the Mississippi River Valley into the Ohio Valley and then reaching the mid-Atlantic, especially in the afternoon on Saturday. Timing has slowed down a little bit. We're probably going to be able to sneak in the bulk of Saturday morning with decent dry weather, but it's the afternoon and evening on Saturday when things could get a little tricky. Clouds begin to increase tomorrow afternoon, thicken up Saturday morning, but you can see at 9:30 in the morning, this computer model has the snow and sleet still to the south and west of Baltimore, but then that rapidly fills in the afternoon, and it looks like it'll be mainly rain to our south. Somewhere around Baltimore it changes over and then gets to snow as you get toward the Pennsylvania line. So still a lot of details to be ironed out with this as it approaches, but it does look like a wintry mix of precipitation that should pull out of here in the early morning of Sunday, and the rest of Sunday should be decent with clearing skies. If the storm stays on its current track and timing, generally speaking, we're talking lighter snowfalls on the order of 1 to 3 inches for most areas, but you could get closer to 6, I think, if it stays mostly snow for a longer period of time, especially up near the Pennsylvania line or into southern Pennsylvania. South of Baltimore into southern Maryland, lower eastern shore, we're anticipating primarily rain with this system. So again, lighter amounts. That light blue shading there is indicating about 1 inch, and then you get into the 1 to 3 inches in the colder areas north and west. And again, most of that coming in Saturday afternoon. So tomorrow, sunshine in the morning, increasing clouds in the afternoon, highs of 33 to 38. A little bit warmer than today, but not by much. Western Maryland, 25 tomorrow. Snow is likely in the mountains on Saturday. And again, they'll probably stay mostly snow out there, so it's good news for skiers this weekend. Eastern Shore location, 37 tomorrow. A mixed bag of snow, sleet, and rain on Saturday. And at the coast down across the lower eastern shore, it looks like clouds increase tomorrow, and they'll primarily be dealing with rain on Saturday. So our 7-day forecast continues the cold weather pattern. 35 tomorrow, wintry mix Saturday, and just 36. Clearing out about 40 on Sunday, and temperatures remaining below normal through the middle of next week.